Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Balance Pak 100. What is BioGuard Balance Pak 100? BioGuard Balance Pak 100 is used to raise total alkalinity. Maintaining proper total alkalinity prevents pH from bouncing due to rain, bather load, and other chemical applications. Low alkalinity may also cause pool water to be corrosive to the metal and plastic with which it comes in contact. This product is proven to help prevent pool staining, plaster etching, or liner wrinkling. The contents of Balance Pak 100 dissolve quickly when added directly to water. Product benefits: total alkalinity increaser, prevents pH change or bounce, improves swimming comfort. Usage directions: add directly to the pool with the pump and filter running. Dosage: 1.5 pounds per 10,000 gallons of water will raise the total alkalinity by 10 ppm. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.